We are doing a rooftop unit replacement. We're kind of right by the airport, so we had to wait for a permit to get that. Our airport permit's good to up to 185 feet, and we're just installing half our jib right now. Stay tuned for more. So we're just gonna boom up, hook up the block, and then I gotta call airport authority. Just let them know that I'm scoping out. Hi, this is Jason with McIntyre Crane, and I'm just letting you guys know I'm gonna have my boom in the air here right quick. Just at the Portico Hotel. All right, good to go.
I'll call you out here, keep her nice and low, eh? Yeah. So keep coming up.
Hi, this is Jason with McIntyre Crane. And I'm just letting you guys know that I'll be pulling in my boom here right away.
Sure, which permit was that one?
That was at the Portico.
The 317. Okay, sounds good, thank you.
Okay, thanks. So what we're doing is just, we put the new curb up, took the old unit down, landed it on our trailer. And then once the guys were ready, we flew the new unit in place. And then there was just one more pallet that we flew up for them and another lift down. And that was really about it. It was pretty easy. We got working by the airport. So we had an airport permit, which allowed us, I think up to about 185 feet. And yeah, pretty much that's it.